The account manager role is unique to Interdyne BMI. Our role is to engage with our clients and offer additional support once your investment has been purchased and implemented. My job is to reach out to you and understand your business logic and day-to-day practices to ensure that you're getting the best out of your investment. As a client, you'd want to reach out with me anytime you are in doubt of any functionality, features, new version releases, when your lifecycle support might change, if you have any questions just about things you want to learn, or if this process or functionality exists in your ERP solution. We can always sit down, do a discovery, a year-to-date process review, find out where you want to go and how we can get you there, whether it's through your ERP system or best recommendation about industry practices. Every client here at Interdyne BMI is assigned an account manager. If you are unsure of who your account manager is, please send an email to anyone that you are familiar with in our company or use our support email and your account manager will give you a call and identify themselves to you. If you'd like to learn more about Interdyne BMI, please take a moment and visit our website at www.interdynebmi.com.